Trying to show this, got the fan running, it's stupid hot. Okay, continuity mode, just a test across the valve body to show that we've got a connection. If I take these two probes right here, I mean you can just see it. Connector's broken. Common failure. Okay, we got it. Just touching, no continuity. So, gotta dig down in here, open this up, get to the connectors, and do a solder repair. Yay. Okay, got the RE5 whatever Nissan 5-speed automatic. It's in my 2008 G35 all-wheel drive. That doesn't really matter. The valve body is going to be the same. I had a code in my computer. I don't remember the code off the top of my head, but in any event, it pointed towards the direct drive solenoid failure. And I got to looking and I read about a common issue is inside the inside, I guess this is the TCM, this part right here. The connectors will break. There's all kinds of, you know, metal, just little metal strips that connect together here, and it's exactly what was going on here. I had no continuity across the connectors. Didn't have continuity across all of them, but I don't think that's I think this one in particular needed continuity when it's just sitting here. So pulled all these, you got to pull all the solenoids out. You got to pull all of these little Allen hex head bolts out, and then you got to flip it over, and very carefully I used a little pick here, and there's little clips all the way around, and I just kept working my way around, click, 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 and eventually I could kind of peel up real carefully on the other side of this plastic TCM here and opened it up, and I'll show a video of that too. But I indeed had a broken connector right here on the direct drive clutch solenoid. Okay, here we are. I got the cover off the back of the, I don't even know what you call this, kind of the TCM, I guess. Came off the top of the valve body. The valve body is not split, so I haven't lost any of the check balls or anything. But there's the third connector, 1, 2, 3, third connector, and then look at that, broken. Common fail point, strikes again. Just need to get it to focus. There we go. Solder that little broken piece right there. That's it. Sent the car into limp mode. This is not an easy fix. It's cheap. It's just tedious. So there you go. So got that fixed. All back together. There's one long one, and then these 4 are short, another long one, and then these 3 actually go through the valve body, and they have a nut on the other side right here. So those 3, 1, 2, 3, those connect to here. Right here, 1, 2, 3. So anyways, back together. I soldered it. I just used some regular old soldering wire and some heat. Couldn't find my wire, so I just heated up an old screwdriver with the MAP gas torch here. And yeah, I've got continuity across the connectors now. Valve body is ready to go back in for fill. I got some new Valvoline fluid there. There we go. We're gonna put this baby back in and we're good to go. Midnight test. Placed the fluid. Finally, took a little bit. Taking that TCM out took a little bit to rebuild fluid. See, I think it's still a little low. A little bit of a slug there. Put it into sport mode and see if we got the gears. Yep. Slip. Traction control is not even really letting it do anything, but we got all 4 gears again. Or actually 5. Flip it. Okay, good. Money. Okay, just doing a quick recap on the transmission issue with the G35. I did notice after watching the video that I missed a bolt. Thankfully it was on the TCM, and it's one of the ones that goes through and holds the filter in place, so hopefully that doesn't cause any problems. Been driving it for the day now and it's doing fine. Everything's doing good. It's not acting weird or anything. Fluid levels are good. No leaks, nothing like that. So I'm just gonna keep going until it gives me other problems. But you know, for 215,000 miles or something like that, I'm not too worried about it. The car's doing great. Kids drive it all over the place, and so. But yeah, we live on gravel roads, and once I read about those connectors breaking, especially if you live on bumpy roads or just an older, you know, high mileage vehicle, I figured I would explore that. I was able to find a solenoid on AutoZone on their website, and I had it shipped to the house, so I had an extra solenoid if that direct drive solenoid was bad. The connector was good, the solenoid was bad, but the solenoid was fine. It was the broken connector. Got it soldered, got it fixed, and the car is doing great now. Immediately put it right back into service, and so I'm very happy, pleased with how it turned out. It was a little messy, it was a little tedious, you know, nerve-wracking, because nobody, you know, shade tree mechanics, we don't like to dive into transmissions. Those are so easy to do things wrong, and like I said, I did miss a bolt, but thankfully it's doesn't seem to be in it like a integral bolt. It was just one that went through the valve body to hold the TCM into place. And so anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.